Welcome to the Love for Rice channel. I hope you enjoy this easy rice and peas recipe, also known as Matar Pulao. To make this dish, you will need 1 cup of washed white rice, long or short grain, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 tablespoon oil or butter of choice, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half to 1 teaspoon of salt based on preference, and optionally some whole spices. For whole spices, I like to include 1 to 2 whole green or black cardamoms, 5 to 10 whole peppercorns, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, and or 4 to 5 cloves. Once your ingredients are gathered, heat your pan on medium to high heat. Add the oil or butter. Once heated, add your cumin seeds, being careful they do not burn. After the cumin seeds become a little darker, add any of your whole spices. Once roasted for about less than a minute, carefully add your peas. Mix your ingredients for another minute or 2. Add your rice, water, and salt. Mix your ingredients and let them sit until they have reached a boiling point. Place the lid on your pan and set the heat to low. Let your rice cook for about 10 minutes or until there is no water left. Turn off the stove and set aside for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Leaving the lid on will let the rice cook more thoroughly. Your dish is now ready to serve and is a good source of carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. This dish is perfect with another side dish, yogurt, or even plain, and will make approximately 3 servings. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe my channel so that I can continue to provide you with quick and easy recipes you can enjoy.